Are you tired of struggling with underpowered blenders that leave chunky smoothies or fail to crush ice? Or perhaps you're juggling multiple kitchen gadgets, cluttering your countertops? This Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender for smoothies with 3-cup vegetable chopper is here to simplify your kitchen game. This versatile, budget-friendly appliance combines a powerful 700-watt blender with a handy food chopper, delivering smooth blends and perfectly prepped ingredients with ease. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this blender is a must-have for smoothie enthusiasts, home chefs, and anyone craving convenience without breaking the bank. Let's dive into what makes this blender a standout choice. Why the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender stands out. Blenders are a dime a dozen, but the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender offers a unique blend of power, versatility, and affordability. With a 700-watt motor, a 40 ounces glass jar, and a 3-cup vegetable chopper, this appliance is designed to tackle a wide range of kitchen tasks. Whether you're whipping up creamy smoothies, crushing ice for frozen cocktails, or chopping veggies for a quick salsa, this blender delivers. Its compact design and dishwasher-safe parts make it a practical choice for busy households, while the wave action system ensures ultra-smooth results every time, solving common kitchen frustrations. Struggling with tough ingredients? The 700-watt motor and stainless steel ice saber blades crush ice, frozen fruits, and fibrous veggies with ease. Hate countertop clutter? This two-in-one blender and food chopper saves space by combining 2 appliances into one. Dreading cleanup? The mess-free pour spout and dishwasher-safe parts make post-blending cleanup a breeze. Inconsistent blends? The patented wave action system pulls ingredients toward the blades for silky smooth results. This blender isn't just about power. It's about making your life easier. Whether you're a busy parent, a fitness enthusiast, or a home cook, this appliance streamlines your routine while delivering professional-grade results. Key features of the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender. Let's break down the standout features that make this blender a game-changer for your kitchen. 700-watt peak power motor. With enough muscle to crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and puree tough ingredients, this blender handles everything from smoothies to sauces with ease. 40 ounces. Glass jar. Durable, heat-resistant, and perfect for small to medium batches. The glass jar is ideal for smoothies, shakes, and soups. It holds up to 3 cups, 710 milliliters, for optimal blending. 3-cup vegetable chopper. The included mini food processor is perfect for chopping onions, herbs, or nuts, saving you time on meal prep. 12 blending functions. With just 5 simple buttons, you can mix, puree, chop, crush ice, and more, offering versatility for a range of recipes. Patented wave action system. This innovative technology continuously forces ingredients toward the stainless steel blades, ensuring smooth, consistent blends without chunks. Mess-free pour spout. The lid's patented design eliminates drips and spills, making it easy to pour smoothies or stream in oils during blending. Dishwasher-safe parts. The glass jar, stainless steel blades, and chopper components are all removable and dishwasher-safe for effortless cleanup. Compact design. Measuring just over 8.5 inches at its widest, this blender fits comfortably on any countertop, perfect for small kitchens. These features combine to create a blender that's as practical as it is powerful, catering to both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. Benefits that make a difference. Why should you choose the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender over other models? Here are the top benefits that set it apart. Versatility for every recipe. From creamy smoothies to chunky salsas, this blender's 12 functions and dual-purpose design handle a wide variety of tasks, reducing the need for multiple appliances. Budget-friendly power. At a fraction of the cost of high-end blenders, the 700-watt motor delivers impressive performance, making it a great value for money. Time-saving convenience. The included chopper and easy-to-clean parts streamline meal prep, so you spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your creations. Smooth, professional results. The wave action system ensures every blend is silky and consistent, rivaling more expensive models. Space-saving design. Its compact footprint and 2-in-1 functionality make it ideal for small kitchens or those looking to declutter. These benefits make the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender a practical, high-performing choice for anyone looking to elevate their kitchen game without overspending. Who is this blender perfect for? The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender is designed for a wide range of users, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. It's perfect for smoothie enthusiasts. If you love starting your day with a nutrient-packed smoothie or protein shake, this blender's powerful motor and wave action system deliver creamy, chunk-free results. Busy home cooks? The 3-cup vegetable chopper is a lifesaver for quick meal prep, whether you're dicing onions for a stir-fry or chopping herbs for a garnish. Budget shoppers? Priced affordably, this blender offers premium features without the premium price tag. Ideal for those who want quality on a budget. Small space dwellers. Its compact design fits easily in apartments or dorms, and the 2-in-1 functionality reduces the need for extra gadgets. Families. The 40 ounces jar is great for making multiple servings of smoothies, soups, or sauces, perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. Whether you're blending a quick breakfast smoothie or prepping ingredients for a dinner party, this blender adapts to your needs with ease. Performance. Does it deliver? To truly understand the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender's capabilities, let's look at how it performs in real-world scenarios. Smoothies and shakes. The 700-watt motor and ice saber blades effortlessly blend frozen berries, kale, and ice into smooth, creamy drinks. For best results, add at least 1 cup, 8 ounces, of liquid to ensure proper blending. Ice crushing. Whether you're making frozen margaritas or slushies, the blender's ice crushing function delivers consistent results, though it may struggle with larger ice batches without extra liquid. Chopping and pureeing. The 3-cup chopper attachment makes quick work of vegetables, nuts, and herbs, while the puree function creates smooth sauces and soups. Ease of use. With only 5 buttons, the interface is intuitive, though the lack of a timer means you'll need to monitor blending manually. While it excels at liquid-heavy recipes, thicker blends like nut butter can be challenging without adding extra liquid, as noted in some reviews. However, for everyday tasks like smoothies, shakes, and chopping, it performs admirably. Pros and cons. No product is perfect, so let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros. Affordable price point for a powerful 700-watt blender. 2-in-1 design saves space and adds versatility. Wave action system ensures smooth, consistent blends. Dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. Mess-free pour spout eliminates spills. Cons. Struggles with thick, low-liquid recipes like nut butter. No timer on presets, requiring manual monitoring. Plastic components may feel less durable than premium models. For most users, the pros far outweigh the cons, especially given the blender's affordability and versatility. Tips for best performance. To get the most out of your Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender, follow these tips. Add enough liquid. Use at least 1 cup, 8 ounces, of liquid for smoothies and shakes to ensure smooth blending. Don't overfill. Keep ingredients below the 3-cup, 710 milliliters. Mark to avoid strain on the motor. Use the pour spout. Open the hinged pouring cap to add ingredients during blending without making a mess. Clean immediately. Rinse parts right after use to prevent food from sticking, or pop them in the dishwasher for convenience. Why choose the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender? In a market flooded with blenders, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite stands out for its balance of power, versatility, and value. Its 700-watt motor, 12 blending functions, and 2-in-1 design make it a practical choice for anyone looking to simplify their kitchen routine. Whether you're blending smoothies, crushing ice, or chopping veggies, this blender delivers reliable performance without the hefty price tag. Plus, its compact size and easy cleanup make it a no-brainer for busy lifestyles. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.